kami sa Alice in Wonderland. Nasa lightning lane kami, so hindi na kami, nag-cut kami ng lane. All the way in. Ano kami? Magra-ride kami.
Guys, can you one of the friends in the back?
Okay. One in the front. Can we ride now or not yet? Oh, not yet. Thank you. So, yan si Susay, mag-isa siya sa unahan kami. Automatic ni Matt, magkatabi. Kasi ito yung pinakamatapang ng si Matt. Ay, si Susay. Ang baby lang, si. Okay, nilak na. Tapos yung sasakay pa dyan sa unahan namin. Ang baby. Ang bilis lang kapag ano ka, may lightning lane ka. Parang, actually, hindi ka pipila. Hey, what if I screen here? Okay. Check nila kung ano nakababa yung safety handle. Ay, yung monorail lang ito. No? Ang gusto ko sakyan yan. Ewan sa maputa yun. Siguro sa hotel. Should I screen here, Chai? Like what I did earlier. The scary ride. Ayun yung scary ride, oh.
All the bike rabbits downstairs. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
The white rabbit. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please. You went this way.
No, that way.
On the hillside.
They're bees. Now this is curious. Told you.
You could try her chest way. I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait, don't go, please.
Para pambata, para
Oh, my way. He went this way.
Pero hindi naman kami pamilya. So, okay lang.
Since this is the top. Always the top.
And the king.
Shall we play croquet?
The rule of 42. The queen will always win.
With their heads off their heads.
Goodness.
Yun eh, tapos na. Nilabas lang kami sa park. Ano ba baba? Lupi. Ang baby nga ito. Ayan daw. Oo, ayan yung mountain. Pababa siya. Ganun. Hindi mo siya kakatako. What if I scream here, Chai? Like what I used to do. I always scream for scary rides. And Chai always raise her hands like that for scary rides. I don't know why. She's like trying to show that she's so brave. In the dark, Chai, there's some monster there. Yun lang yun. Diyan kami dumaan kanina. Oh. Ganda rin. Ang baby. Pag bata ka, mapag-baby. Okay guys, pabalik kami dun sa castle. We're gonna pass through it again. But this time from the back, going front. Itong mga anak ko nakakapit sa braso ko, naggagalaw yung camera. Say, don't hold me. Alam niya, toddler pa siya. Ayun yung iba pang Christmas decor. Maiksi lang yung dito, yung walkthrough. Unlike dun sa Disney World, mahaba. May mga pa dun, parang mga ganap sa loob. Dito, parang talagang walkthrough lang siya. Parang walkway. Tapos paglabas mo, na siya. Yun yung marami napapapicture kasi yun yung front ng castle. Ayun na siya. Napakaliit. Tapos parang may bridge. Tapos may man-made lake. Ganda nyo. Tingnan mo. Christmas.
Why are we coming through here?
Ay, bawal?
We're
Nobody
the only
wants.
ones.
Yeah. Ay, bakit nga?